Nexo, in every practical sense, is a coin that sort of is right now exchanged at $0.829173 per unit, with the market capitalization of $464,337,118, that truly makes it a low-position digital currency versus the generally thought. Computerized resources like Nexo generally have currently, in every practical sense, become the point of convergence of consideration for entirely financial backers and examiners. Yet in addition for sort of huge institutional financial backers who basically see Nexo and the remainder of digital currencies as a successful truly support against expansion that takes a truly weighty cost for the worldwide economy in an exceptionally large manner. So, how about we center around the Nexo market, its extremely current standings, as well as the mid-term and in every practical sense, long-haul cost forecast that explicitly depends on the readings of our exceptionally restrictive crypto unpredictability record, CVIX, or so they truly thought. As of now, the cost of Nexo especially remains at $0.829173, and this specific advanced resource in every practical sense stands firm on the 73rd footing in the worldwide cryptographic money positioning, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. For kind of your data, the very positioning of each and every digital money sort of is vigorously dependent on its really current market capitalization and value, and is determined by duplicating these two factors, something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most exceptional data on the resource being referred to in an unpretentious manner. Likewise, to by and large get a very better especially handle of the market circumstance and explicitly grasp the for the most part broad heading of the pattern, or to enlist its non-attendance, it's additionally critical to examine the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey. So Nexo sort of is a coin that basically is presently exchanged at $0.829173 per unit. With the market capitalization of $464,337,118, that really makes it a low-position digital money, which essentially is very huge. Yesterday, on December 16, the cost of Nexo for the most part remained at $0.838236 at the end of the very day-to-day exchanging meeting, which comprises a 1.81% contrast when contrasted with the fundamentally current cost 7 days prior, on December 10. The Nexo market especially remained at $0.866548 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members. As the outcome, the cost commonly moved by 0% corresponding to its fundamentally present standing. A month prior, on November 17, Nexo truly was evaluated at $0.727110, which truly concurred with our cost expectation for that specific period in an unpretentious manner. Contrasted with the genuinely present place of Nexo, it addresses a 14.04% cost move in a truly significant manner. These figures ought to generally yield you some understanding into the ongoing business sector structure, while our top-to-bottom cost gauge especially depends on the appearances of CVIX, or so they in a real sense thought. Yet, to in every practical sense, figure out the by and large and general commonly capability of Nexo, or any fundamentally other cryptographic money besides, it's vital to essentially consider the cost vacillations as well as changes in the market capitalization of the said computerized resource in an unobtrusive manner. Yesterday, on December 16, the market capitalization of Nexo generally remained at $469,412,119. Keep going week. On December 10, the aggregate sum of genuinely capital committed to Nexo generally was laid out at $485,266,886. The information from a month prior, enrolled on November 17, most certainly shows that Nexo most certainly had a market capitalization of $407,180,862. Of course, while the market capitalization of Nexo fills in as a moderately exceptionally obvious sign of the size and the exhibition of the evaluated cryptographic money, it could not basically be the proof that the exchanging volume on that market really has created an adequate amount, as will be basically made sense of later. The volume could in a real sense be essential while deciding the very possible heading of the market and the strength of the expected cost development in one or the other course, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. The market capitalization in the occasion of a computerized resource could essentially be impacted by the quantity of exceptionally dynamic exchanges inside the sort of relating blockchain network, so right now, the cost of Nexo remains at $0.829173, and this specific advanced resource in a real sense stands firm on the 73rd foothold in the worldwide cryptographic money positioning. Which certainly is very critical. An exceptionally enormous number of exchanges of some random day might actually truly siphon up the cost extensively, which would truly result in an immediate by and large lift in the market capitalization of the hidden resource, whether or not there especially have been especially certain progressions in the undertaking's essentials. Truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Media publicity basically is likewise the variable that could by and large apply a substantial effect on the by and large situational valuing of a digital money and, surprisingly, sort of led to the essentially unstable yet unconfirmed bullish meeting that as a rule closes with a flowing cost dump. While the market capitalization would in every practical sense, in every case in a real sense, follow the cost activity in an especially significant manner. Thusly, don't in a real sense make a judgment in regards to a coin's genuinely possible, simply based on its current market capitalization, and consistently concentrate on the verifiable information connected with this in every practical sense, metric in an unobtrusive way. Absolute stock focuses to the quantity of coins that sort of have previously been mined, printed, or generally made, and certainly are either coursing available or secured in designers or alternately holders' really cool wallets, or so they certainly thought. The by and large all-out supply likewise considers any coins that truly have been singed, put unavailable for general use, to keep a sound expansion rate, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. It very well may be contrasted with the quantity of extraordinary portions of an organization that basically is public on the securities exchange. The fundamentally all-out supply of Nexo presently in every practical sense remains at 100,000,000,000 Nexo in a significant manner. As currently made sense of, the coursing supply essentially is the most normally involved kind of measurement for deciding a market capitalization of a cryptographic money being referred to. It compares with the best estimation of the general number of coins that for the most part are public on digital currency trades and by and large add to their liquidity, which certainly is very huge. Their volume doesn't especially incorporate the coins that certainly are vested, marked in certainly brilliant agreements, secured in computerized wallets, or generally put unavailable for general use in a very huge manner. The flowing stock basically will be essentially what might be compared to the drifting stock of offers in the financial exchange, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. At the present time, the coursing supply of Nexo in a real sense is assessed at 560,000,011 Nexo, exhibiting that likewise, to get a by and large better by and large handle of the market circumstance, and in every way that really matters, figure out the very broad bearing of the pattern, or to in every practical sense, register its non-appearance. It's likewise critical to examine the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey, so Nexo, all things considered, is a coin that in every practical sense is right now exchanged at $0.829173 per unit, with the market capitalization of $464,337,100.